Today, I'll be diving deep into a topic that's not just about money, but about legacy. It's about changing the story for yourself, for your family, and even for people that you will never meet. So we're talking about building generational wealth and starting exactly where you are. Not when you get a big promotion, not when you win a lottery, not when you have it all figured out, but today and with what you have. Because here's the truth, you don't have to be rich to start building generational wealth. You just have to be intentional. So if you love this topic, please like it and watch the very end, because my third point is the real deal and you want to stick with me to the very end so that you can understand everything I'm about to share in this video. And if you're ready with me, let's just get started. So the first thing I'll be sharing is what exactly is generational wealth. So generational wealth is any money, asset, real estate, investment, a business or businesses that you pass down to the next generation. It's about giving the next people who come after you a head start in life. It's about breaking the circle of starting from zero every time. So think about it: a house that you leave behind, a savings account for your kids' education, a business your family can continue to grow, even teaching your children financial literacy, because knowledge is wealth too. So having generational wealth doesn't mean you have to make your children spoiled or not teach them the values that they need to have. It's about giving them choices that you may never have had. It's about building stepping stones instead of leaving stumbling blocks. So the second thing that I want to share with you is why you need to start now. Why you don't have to wait for a perfect time. Why you need to start with what you have. Now you might be thinking, well, I'm just trying to survive right now. How can I be thinking about wealth for the next generation? There's no other time to think about it. This is the best time that you have to think about it. If you truly want to live a life that your future self will thank you for, that your generations to come will thank you for, your children, great-children, great-great-grandchildren, and so on will thank you for, this is the time to start putting things in place. So small actions compound over time. You don't have to have something very huge at the moment, but the little actions that you take from now will compound for you in years. For instance, the £50 you save today becomes £500, becomes £5,000, even £50,000 with time and consistency. So when you start today, it gets your money growing sooner. It helps you to build financial discipline. It changes your mindset from short-term survival to long-term building. Waiting till everything is perfect is indeed a trap, because you will never get anything done. There's never a perfect time. The earlier you start, even if it's £10, £20, you are planting the seeds that can grow into something very massive. Just know that small steps are still steps. You may be taking baby steps towards this, but know that they are steps. It doesn't have to be huge steps, but they are steps. And the third thing, which is very key, that I would like to share with you is the 5 practical ways to start building generational wealth today. The first one is to master your mindset. Wealth starts in your mind even before it touches your bank account. So if your mindset is not aligning, you can never have it. No matter what it is you're doing, if your mindset is not right, you cannot attract that wealth. You will just still find yourself struggling and struggling and struggling. Ask yourself these questions. Do I believe I deserve to be wealthy? Do I see money as a tool or a problem? Am I willing to delay gratification for bigger rewards later? Shift your thinking from scarcity. Shift your thinking from there's never enough to abundance. I can create more wealth. I will do valiantly well. My needs are met and my bills are paid. You're not busy saying, oh, this money is going to finish anytime soon. Where am I going to get the next one? Just complaining and grumbling and grumbling. Have a mindset that would attract wealth to you. For example, instead of saying I am bad with money, say I'm learning to manage money better every day. I want you to understand that your mindset is the soil. So if you keep it healthy, whatever you plant on it will definitely grow stronger. But if your mindset is not healthy, there's nothing you plant on it that will grow, because that is exactly the way you have fixed your mindset. So your mindset is the key to attracting the wealth that you deserve. You need to fix your mindset right. The second thing you need to do to build generational wealth is to keep your house in order. Before you build wealth, you need a solid foundation. This means you need to budget your income, know what's coming in and know what's going out. Have an emergency fund for at least 2 months. Just in case there's any emergency anywhere, at least you have something to fall back to. Pay off your high interest debt. Credit card debt can kill your progress if you are not careful. Think of it like you are building a house. You can't start decorating if the walls of the house are crumbling. So you need to get the foundation very right first. And the third thing is to start investing, no matter how small. Savings are great, but saving alone cannot build you generational wealth. Investment will build you generational wealth. Investing grows your money while you're sleeping. Start with what you have. Contribute to a retirement account like the pensions or ISA accounts. Invest in simple index funds if you're a beginner. Learn about compound interest, the magic of making money. The key is not to be perfect, but to be consistent. The fourth step to building generational wealth is to own assets, not liabilities. Whatever it is you're trying to acquire, ask yourself, is this an asset or a liability? Is this going to save me money or is this going to cost me money? Because assets make you money while liabilities cost you money. So assets include stocks, properties, businesses, intellectual properties, like courses, like books. One rule that you can live by before you buy something expensive, ask yourself, will this cost me money or will this make me money? Whatever your answer is will be able to put you in check the way you manage your funds. And then the fifth thing that you need to do for generational wealth is to teach the next generation. Knowledge passed down to the next generation is as powerful as money being passed down to them. Teach your children, your nieces, nephews how to budget, how saving and investing works, and why delayed gratification matters. Even if you don't have kids yet, you can mentor young people in the community. You can mentor people around you. Because when you give them a wealth mindset, you are giving them a lifelong gift. Remember that a trust fund can be spent, but wisdom will always keep growing. So these are my final thoughts for you. You may not have come from a wealthy background. You may not have had anybody teach you any of these things. Maybe money was a struggle or even a source of pain for you when you were growing up. You have the power to change the story. You can be the first in your family to build generational wealth. Imagine your grandchildren starting businesses without crushing debts. Imagine your family having financial stability even during tough times. Imagine your community seeing new possibilities because of something you started, because of a business you started, because of the impact that you are making in the lives of people. It starts with you, it starts small, and it starts today. It doesn't have to be perfect nor fancy, you just have to be faithful. Take one decision at a time, £1 at a time, and a lesson at a time. So wherever you are today, broke, thriving, or even building, remember this: you are a builder, you are a planner. planter. You are laying bricks that will outlive you. Start with what you have. Start with what you know. And trust that every step you take towards building wealth is a step towards building a legacy. Thank you so much for spending so much time with me. If you found this video very helpful, please give it a like, share on to others that will be needing this. And on my end screen, you're going to be seeing a video here which promises great impact to you. Please do well to watch it. Thank you so much, amazing people, for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome on board, and please join this amazing family by subscribing to this channel, as I promise you awesome content every other day. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead, and bye for now.